Hello, hello, hello from a sunny London. I'm just back from art classes and I wanted to show you guys what we've been up to, so come, let's go. Yes, so this week me and my artist, we've been making T-Rex, and he can move his legs and he can move his tail. And the reason why he can move his legs and tail is because he's a footballer. And they turned out quite cool. I need to show you. I also added a PDF to the website in case you want to try it out. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Charlotta and I run art classes for kids in London. And I meet around 35 little artists a week. And we get up to all kinds of fun stuff, so I want to share it with you guys in case you get inspired and want to try it out. Now the fun thing about this is also that it's made out of recycled material, so it's not creating any waste and making use of what we already have at home. So you can use cardboard if you have a delivery and you get a box or something. You can also use just a cereal box or anything that's a little bit harder than just normal paper to cut it out and make it a bit stronger. It's also fun to create your own toys, right? So you don't need to buy everything, and this is not plastic, which we're drowning in this world. So try out cardboard. As one of my artists noticed, you can make anything out of cardboard, literally anything. And he said to me, can we make a Dino baller? And I was like, hold on, what do you mean by that? So he had to actually explain it to me. And a Dino baller, this is exactly what it is. So he can move his legs because he's a footballer. Let me show you how they decorated and painted them, and yeah, check out the video. He'll make two holes, one for the legs and one for the tail. So they'll be here and here. So when you cut out this shape, and then you can draw in the details. So you got the tail, cut it out, make a hole, and two of these. So you need two legs. Again, draw around. Oh, let's cut out one of the legs because we only got one over there. So cut. And I'm using super strong kitchen scissors. These ones are Fiskars. They are strong enough to handle a little bit thicker material. Here we go. So cut out two legs, one tail, one body, and make a hole like that. So the next thing will be two paper fasteners, and then you take one leg, go through this leg, then you go through the body, and then you go through the second leg like this, and then on the back side you open them up. So now instead of gluing them and be stuck to the body, now the legs can move. And then we add the tail on this side. You can choose if you put it above or underneath the body. I think it's nicer underneath, so we're gonna put it that way. So you go through the body, through the tail, and again open up on the back side like that. So the tail can move, the legs can move.
It says war.
You want purple? Yeah, sure. Let's make purple. How do we make purple? What colors? We need red and blue. Shall we try to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So it can twist properly.
When he's playing football.
Yes. He's wearing glasses.
Very cool. I love it.
He's
Excellent
wearing
work.
glasses. Yes. Dun, dun.
There you go.
He's
Excellent.
number 6.
Thank you so much for staying with me and watching the video. I hope you got inspired. I hope you got your brushes out. If you do get creative and do any of our projects, I would love to see how they turn out. So please do tag us on Instagram. If you have any comments, you know what to do. And also remember to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you next week.
In the middle of this green dot.
Okay, and then?
And then the hanger can go, that hole can hook into this one. And turn
An
it
anchor?
into a hanger. Yes, an anchor.
Okay, let's see how you
Now-
mean. Let's try.